In this video, I am going to show you how to plug your ESP32 into Arduino IDE and get started in coding it. So let's get started. First, open Arduino IDE. Now wait for a few seconds. Now go to Board Manager and search for ESP32. There will be two packages, one for Arduino Nano ESP32, basically the board which is made by Arduino themselves, and the ESP32 by Espressif Systems. This is the one we want in our case for the ESP32 S3 and 16RA. This board has many packages, like for the ESP32 dev board, C3 dev board, C5 dev board, C6 dev board, etc. etc. So let's install this. Now please be patient because this package is very heavy, so we'll have to wait for a few minutes for it to be installed. And plus, the fans in your PC will accelerate because the CPU usage will skyrocket due to the heavy package. So it's completely normal. So let's just wait for a few 2 to 5 minutes, I think. Let's wait.
A few moments later.
So now that the ESP32 package has been installed, now we have to go to File, Preferences, and then paste this link into the additional board manager URL. Paste this exact link. I'll wait for you. Or you can check the description for this link. Just copy and paste it in Arduino IDE. Now just press OK. And now this will appear into your Arduino IDE. It will say downloading index, Pagic, index, text bar, and like that. Now let's plug in our ESP32 with the help of a USB cable. Make sure to plug it in the COM port if your ESP32 has two ports. If it has one port, just plug it in. Now go to select board. You will see unknown COM3. So just tap on it and just type ESP32. It depends on one board you have. The board that I have is an ESP32 S3 and 16RA. So I'm going to type ESP32 S3 dev module. Just select that and now your ESP32 is online. Now let's see, it's online. Serial monitor recognizes it, everything. So just to be clear, if you have an ESP2 S3 board, simply just select ESP32 S3 board. It works with 99, I think, 99% of ESP32 S3 boards. But I think you will lose some features. It depends. So this is a blank code. Let's go to sketch. Wait a minute. Let me get an example. Let's get an example. Let's do web server. Well, no. Let's just try NeoPixel. Let's try button cycler. Just do simple. Let's just do simple. Let's load it up. avr.power number pixels. Let's go with GPIO 48. Let's upload it. Wait a minute. We have two number of pixels. Let's just do one because there's one LED on the ESP32. If you have more LEDs like an LED strip, LED ring, just do this. If the LEDs are addressable. Now let's compile and do it.
A few moments later.
Look at that. Now the ESP32 has the code uploading into its flash memory. Look at that. It's green now. See? That means the code is perfectly working. That's a success. So in this video, we just tried a sample code just by controlling the RGB LED. But You can do more things like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, this NeoPixel, ESP32 Now protocol, and much more. Sensors, endless possibilities. Just for this video, I used an example. So that proves that the ESP32 is working perfectly with Arduino IDE. Of course, you can use other softwares like VS Code, C++, C, MicroPython, or even the ESP framework by Espressif, which gives you more control. But we use Arduino IDE for simpler stuff. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description below. Bye. Hello.